Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Darshanam. Today we are going to learn about Nadi Shuddi Pranayama. Before moving forward to learn technique and benefits and all, let me give you brief details about nadis and Shuddhi. Nadi means flow or energy path. I have made a video previously. If you have not watched it, please watch once. I have given link here. And Shuddhi means purification. As long as energy is flowing in all nadis, then there is no problem and there is no health issues. If there is any hindrance or obstacles in the energy path, that leads to disease and it affects your health psychologically and physiologically. Then we need Shuddhi. Shuddhi means, or purification means, correcting or normalizing this energy flow. And this energy flow can be corrected or balanced or normalized by allowing all prana to move in these nadis in its normal rhythm by using two key nadis called Chandra Nadi and Suryanadi. Chandra Nadi is called our left nostril and Suryanadi is called our right nostril. When you breathe continuously from your left and right nostril, alternatively and continuously, this process brings to normal state and normalizes physiological and psychological functions. To do this pranayama, first you need to sit in a comfortable posture. Comfortable postures can be Padmasana, Vajrasana, Virasana or Sukhasana. Or you can also sit in a chair or in the sofa if you are not able to sit on the floor or if you have any issues. Once you sit in a comfortable posture, make sure you are adapting two mudra. One mudra is called Chin Mudra in the left hand and right hand Nasika Mudra like this. And adapt mudra, keep it on your laps and keep your head neck back upright. And before beginning this pranayama, breathe couple of times deeply and slowly. Breathing should be very normal, natural breathing without any force. Pay complete attention on your breath flow. Remember, your mind has to be engaged while doing pranayama. Now, inhale deeply from your both nostrils. Close your right nostril using your right thumb, tip of the right thumb. Remember, you're not turning your nose, you're not bending your neck, not tilting your face, or not lifting your shoulder. Very comfortable. And exhale it from your left nostril. This is only in the initial stage. Now your pranayama, Nadi Shuddi Pranayama will begin. Inhale from your left nostril, Puraka. Close both the nostril. You can hold it for a few seconds. And open your right nostril. Exhale it from your right nostril, Rechaka. Again inhale from your right nostril, Puraka. Close both nostrils, hold it for a few seconds. And open your left nostril, exhale, Rechaka from your left nostril. This is called one cycle or one round. Once again, second round, inhale from your left nostril. Close and hold it for a few seconds. And open your right, exhale. Inhale from your right nostril. Close and hold it for a few seconds. Open your left nostril, exhale it from your left nostril. Second round is completed. Like this, you can do 9 to 27 rounds continuously. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama can be done in another manner also by checking your active and passive nadi. Just hold your hand, check which nostril is active. That means which nostril breath is coming more. So once you notice, you have to begin from that nostril. For example, if my left nostril is very active, then begin like this. Inhale from your left, close it, open your right, exhale it from your right nostril, and inhale from your right nostril, and hold it, exhale from your left nostril. Like this you can do as many rounds as you want according to your needs. Nadi Shuddi Pranayama has two more names also. It is called Nadi Shodhana or Anuloma Viloma, but technique is same. In generally, this pranayama is good for everyone. The idea is it is something to balance our psychological and physiological functions in the body. So that is why there is no limitation for this pranayama. In generally, suppose if you are suffering from hypertension, heart problems, and during the pregnancy cases, you can avoid holding your breath. You can do this at your normal breath flow. I will make another video to explain how Nadi Shodhana Pranayama is affecting psychologically and physiologically. Till then, keep watching this pranayama and enjoy this pranayama. Stay with Yoga Darshanam. Thank you.